I understand English, but I can't speak. So, ഈ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും തന്നെയുണ്ട്. So, what is the reason behind that? We will discuss that in this video. Welcome to another video of Tiju's Academy. Let's roll. First things first. We forget words while we speak. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും അങ്ങനെ തോന്നിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? We don't get enough words to speak. Before addressing that, let me ask you one simple question. Do you remember what you had in your breakfast? No? Yes, you can remember. But ഇതേ ചോദ്യം 2 ആഴ്ച മുന്നേ എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റിൽ കഴിച്ചതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ you can't remember. This is exactly same thing happen when you speak. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ വേർഡ്സ് മറന്നു പോകുന്നത്. So what can we do for that? To improve our exposure? Yes. നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിൻ അത് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ പോലെയാണ്. I will clarify that. When we focus on input, we will get better output, right? Yes. So, exposure കൂട്ടുക. How? Make sure that you are watching videos in English and you are reading English books. Start simply or make sure that your steps are small. അതാണ് ഏറ്റവും ബെറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള തിങ്. ചെറിയ ഷോർട്ട് സ്റ്റോറീസ് വായിക്കുക, സ്മോൾ വീഡിയോസ് കാണുക. But make sure that it's an active process, not a passive like we are watching a movie. So adana first thing. Secondly, we are too much concerned about the mistakes which we make or we fear when we speak. Do you know the reason? We use many languages, both Indian and foreign. But when it comes to English, we fear a lot. അതെന്തായിരിക്കും റീസൺ എന്നറിയാമോ? People have a misconception that English is a super superior language that common people cannot afford. I repeat this word, misconception, തെറ്റിദ്ധാരണ. So, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനെ പേടിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമുണ്ടോ? No, a big no. Because മലയാളം, നമ്മുടെ മദർ ടങ്, it is considered as one of the toughest languages in the world. So, അത് നമ്മൾ പച്ചവെള്ളം പോലെയല്ലേ പറയുന്നത്. So, why English? ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനെ പേടിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. Do you remember how did you learn to ride a bicycle? Yes. First വളരെ പേടിച്ച് താഴെ വീഴുമോ എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് കുറേ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തു. Then we become proficient. We become skillful. Yes. Do you know why I compare these two things? Both are skills, right? Language skill and riding skill. And practice more. That's the best thing you can do so that you will be able to avoid your fear. അതാണ് second thing. Third thing, we are too much concerned about grammar or grammatical mistakes. Is grammar important to speaking? Yes, to an extent, yes. But as a beginner, if you are focusing more on grammar, you will lose the most important thing, fluency, the flow of words, right? So just focus more on that. So that's all for today. But wait a minute, did I miss something? Yes, I did. This is for you. We watch a lot of videos like this. We seek advice from many people how we can improve our speaking skills. But nothing would work until we practice. So do practice. Because heroes are made by the path they choose. The more you practice, the better you become. This is Robbie Varghese signing off. Wait for more videos. Till then, bye.